What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Royal GTA Auto. Today we're working on something serious, a factory matte Lamborghini Revuelto, and we're repainting the rear panels. Now repainting gloss is one thing, but repainting a factory matte, that's a complete different level. Matte paints are unforgiving. You can't polish it, you can't buff it out, you can't blend it the same way you would with gloss. It's textured. You see it. If the sheen is off, you see it. If the spray patterns is imperfect, you see it. With factory matte, everything has to match perfectly. We're not masking or spraying around edges. The rear bumper has to come off. The side sections has to come off. The lights, the sensors have to be removed, because of if you try to shortcut matte paint, you'll leave tape lines or texture differences, and on the Lamborghini, that's unacceptable. So every bolt is documented, every panel gap is measured. Before removal, the car goes back together exactly how it came from the factory. The rear wheels have to come off on this in order to remove the back panels. All the panels, the left side and the right side, has to be removed. We inspect the rear panels carefully. Further, any imperfection, block it evenly, clean, degrease multiple times. With matte finish, your prep work determines your final texture. You don't get a second chance. This is where experience matters. Factory Lamborghini matte has specific sheen level and texture. Too glossy, it'll stand out. Too flat, it'll look dull. Too much clear, wrong reflection. Too little, patchy appearance. So we do the test sprays, we adjust the settings, and matte is about precision, not just the color. See, a lot of people don't realize matte repainting is harder than gloss. With gloss, you can correct imperfections. After, with matte, what you spray is what you live with. So there's no polishing it out. That's why the type of work requires experience and control. Now comes the part most people never see: deep surface cleaning, decontamination, inspect under proper lighting, correcting minor factory imperfections. Matte doesn't hide flaws, it exposes them. Prep is 70% of the result. When this goes back together, it needs to look like it was never touched. No color difference, no texture difference, no sheen mismatch, just factory perfection. This is a level we operate at. If you appreciate real craftsmanship, exotic builds, and behind the scenes work on cars most people only see online, make sure you subscribe for more luxury automotive content. We've got a lot more high-end builds coming. This is Royal GTA Auto.